You want to build muscle fast, but there's no gym in sight, no dumbbells, no machines, just you and your body. Sounds impossible? It's not. In fact, some of the most brutally effective exercises require zero equipment. In this video, we are breaking down 8 brutally effective bodyweight exercises that build real muscle, firing up your strength and pushing your endurance through the roof. No fluff, no filler, just raw functional power built with sweat and grit. Stick with me to the end, because if you're serious about transforming your body, this is where it starts. Number 1, plank, the core maker. It looks easy until you actually try it. The plank might seem simple, but it's a full-blown core annihilator. Unlike crunches or sit-ups that just hit your six-pack muscles, the plank activates your entire midsection, the rectus abdominis, obliques, and those deep hidden stabilizers most people don't even know they have. This move doesn't just build visible abs, it builds functional strength that carries over into everything from lifting to running to even standing taller, and it doesn't stop there. A properly held plank fires up your shoulders, glutes, lower back, and even your chest, turning it into a full body endurance challenge. Hold it long enough and you'll feel your muscles tremble, and that's where real growth starts. Beginners can aim for 3 sets of 30 seconds, but if you want to level up, switch to side planks, add shoulder taps, or go full beast mode with plank to push-up sets. No movement, no weights, just static power that builds real results. 2. Bodyweight squats, the growth catalyst. If you want thicker legs, a stronger core, and explosive lower body power, squats are your secret weapon. And the best part, you don't need a single weight to make them work. Bodyweight squats hit your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your abs in one smooth, powerful motion. They're not just about size, they build strength that translates into real-life movement, jumping higher, running faster, and moving with more control. And here's the kicker. Squats naturally trigger the release of muscle-building hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, accelerating fat loss and muscle gain all at once. But don't let the simplicity fool you. Perfect form is everything. Chest up, core tight, knees tracking your toes, and power through your heels. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps will light up your legs. But if you're hungry for more, crank up the intensity with jump squats, pause squats, or one-legged Bulgarian splits. No machines, no excuses, just serious muscle building with every rep. 3. Lunges, unilateral leg dominance. If squats are the foundation, lunges are the sculptor. This move doesn't just build muscle, it carves balance, coordination, and raw leg strength like nothing else. Unlike squats, lunges force each leg to work independently, fixing muscular imbalances and strengthening stabilizer muscles most people neglect. They target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core all at once, while improving your ability to move, pivot, and push with power. Whether you're walking, sprinting, or climbing stairs, lunges are the real-world strength builder, and they hit different. The control required to keep your knees aligned and your core engaged turns every rep into a challenge. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps per leg, and you'll feel the burn set deep. Want to up the ante? Add in jump lunges for explosive power or Bulgarian split squats to push your balance and endurance to the edge. This is where strength meets control and where average legs get left behind. 4. Push-ups, the upper body beast. Push-ups aren't just an old-school classic. They're a full-blown upper body assault that demands respect. With zero equipment, you're training your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core in perfect harmony. Unlike machines that isolate one muscle at a time, push-ups engage everything, forcing your stabilizers to fire and your body to work as a unit. This means more functional strength, better muscle definition, and increased endurance. All from a move you can do anywhere. And let's not forget the variations. Diamond push-ups torch your triceps, wide push-ups expand your chest, and archer push-ups give you unilateral power like never before. Start in a high plank, lower with control, and explode back up. 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps is all it takes to feel the fire. Ready for a challenge? Try clapping push-ups or go slow and deep for brutal time under tension. No bench, no barbell, just raw upper body strength built from the ground up. 5. Glute bridges, hidden power. Most people chase abs and biceps, but if you're ignoring your glutes, you're leaving serious strength and size on the table. The glutes are your body's largest and most powerful muscle group, and glute bridges are the key to unlocking their full potential. This move hits your gluteus maximus, medius, hamstrings, and even your lower back and core, all in one controlled thrust. Strong glutes don't just look good, they boost athletic performance, protect your spine, and add serious power to everything from squats to sprints. Plus, they improve posture and help prevent lower back pain, especially if you sit a lot. The form is simple but deadly effective. Lie flat, bend your knees, plant your feet, and drive through your heels as you squeeze your glutes at the top. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps will light up muscles you didn't know you had. Want to take it further? Try single leg bridges to isolate and dominate. Quiet move, loud results. Glute bridges are the secret weapon most people overlook. 6 burpees, the full body finisher. If there's one move that combines strength, speed, and savage conditioning, it's the burpee. This brutal full-body finisher torches your chest, arms, legs, and core while sending your heart rate into overdrive. Burpees aren't just about building muscle, they build grit. Each rep demands explosive power, coordination, and total body control, making it one of the most efficient ways to build lean muscle and burn fat at the same time. You start standing, drop into a squat, shoot into a plank, bang out a push-up, jump back in, and launch yourself into the air. And that's just one rep. It's fast, it's hard, and it works. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps will leave you gassed, but stronger. And if you're just starting out, ditch the push-up or the jump until you build endurance. But don't skip burpees. They are the closest thing to a one-move workout, and the perfect way to end your routine on a high, heart-pounding note. 7 pike push-ups, the shoulder sculptor. If push-ups are the king of bodyweight chest exercises, pike push-ups are the crown prince of shoulder destruction. And trust me, they rule with an iron fist. This move flips the classic push-up on its head, literally, by shifting your body into an inverted V shape. Pike push-ups zero in on your deltoids, especially the front and middle heads, mimicking the effects of a military press without ever picking up a weight. Your triceps, upper chest, and core join the party too, making it a multi-muscle assault that'll leave your shoulders carved like Greek statues, or at least like a guy who doesn't skip upper body day. Best part? It's a gateway drug to the handstand push-up, which is like shoulder training on nightmare mode. Start slow, maintain control, and keep your elbows tucked in. This isn't a face-first dive into the floor. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps will light your shoulders up. No dumbbells necessary. It's simple, savage, and wildly underrated. Let's be honest, any move that makes gravity your enemy is doing something right. 8 mountain climbers, core meets cardio. If you're looking for one move that hits your abs, shreds fat, and leaves you gasping for air, all in under 30 seconds, mountain climbers are your go-to. Don't let the name fool you. You're not climbing a hill, you're sprinting against gravity, with your entire core on fire. This dynamic movement lights up your rectus abdominis, obliques, hip flexors, shoulders, and even your chest, all while keeping your heart rate cranked through the roof. It's cardio, it's core, and it's chaos in the best way possible. You'll build endurance, coordination, and explosive power in a single, non-stop motion. Start in a high plank, drive your knees toward your chest one at a time like you're running for your life, and don't stop until your abs scream. Aim for 3 rounds of 30 seconds, going as fast as you can with perfect form. It's one of the most time-efficient moves on the planet, and the perfect way to finish strong, sweaty, and one step closer to shredded. There you have it. 8 brutally effective bodyweight exercises that build real muscle. No gym required. These aren't just filler moves, they are the foundation of raw, functional strength that carves definition, builds endurance, and pushes your limits every single rep. From core-crushing planks to explosive burpees and shoulder-scorching pike push-ups, every exercise in this list proves that your body is the only tool you truly need. So whether you're training in your bedroom, a park, or a garage, the results are still yours for the taking. No excuses, no shortcuts, just hard work and smart movement. If this video lit a fire in you, drop a comment below, smash that like button, and hit subscribe so you never miss another workout that pushes you further. Now get after it, stay consistent, and go build the strongest version of yourself. See you in the next video.